Satama, which is being done just below the market, the old market. And you look, they have already destroyed 9 of our manholes. And you have destroyed the manhole, even the debris from the road is getting into the manhole. So it's a matter of time before the road is, the sewer is blocked, it has to overflow, and then we start fighting with NEMA and the public health.
As a county, we are planning to have a water. We are talking about water being in every corner of the county. I think Prof and Waziri can bear me witness. The rig is at a very advanced stage of coming. But what we were discussing was that it would be useless to have a rig and then it just stays in the county and is not able to perform.
Sometimes we find a road is being done by the government. So inabidi wakati mwingine tukose maji kwa sababu mfereji ikikatwa maji inafungwa. So we need something to be done for that.
Headquarters of Embu Niyo haina maji ya kutosha na kuna shida nyingi sana. Kitu ya kwanza tumefanya kama county ni procure ama tunamenunua drilling rig na accessories zake ili tutengeneze boreholes nyingi sana. Na kuna na partners wengi tumeshikana na wao wa boreholes, e-water, Koreans na other people watutanjia hata kufanya solarization. Kuna nyingine tumefanya survey and design zile mwaka huu kama Mukanda irrigation project iko Nambere South, Nambere North kwa Chicago tumeipatiana Hahu kwa national government for funding.
So by the end of this year we shall be having so many projects well completed. Our governor, thank you so much.